Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screenshot not saving in pictures folders on Windows 11 or 10. So first of all, open your search bar and in the search bar, you have to search for this Regedit and then tap on this run as administrator. You will see this window. So you have to copy this registry path from description and paste it here. So tap on copy and you have to paste here like this. Tap on paste. Now go to this user shell folders. Just have to simply copy this and paste it here like this. Tap on new, tap on string volume and tap on this paste. Simply tap enter. Now copy this second line, double click on it and paste it here. Tap on OK and now as you can see this picture slash screenshot. So now close this window, tap on the window icon and now after doing this setting you have to restart your PC. And after restarting your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.